Hey guys, we're going to be testing out this awesome high-speed V30 micro SD card for action cameras for 4K capture. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to be testing this bad boy out. I got this from my GoPro, and we're going to be testing out the speed of this thing right now just to see how fast it can actually do. Now I'm going to be testing it on a USB 3.0 port, okay, Gen 1. So we're going to see how fast this actually could do some read and write tests. So we're going to get to it right now and check it out, because I'm real happy. I got this 128 gig just for the GoPro. That's the only purpose of it. So we'll be right back and let's go check it out.
So we're going to give this a test. This is a 128 gig drive. Make sure to verify that it is drive H. Okay, USB drive H. So let's give this a shot. Now we're going to do 1 gig. We're going to do one test, so I don't beat the crap out of it. And we're going to do read and write. See what this bad boy can do. This is the SanDisk Extreme Micro SD XC UHS-I card with adapter. Speeds can go up to 90 megabytes per second read and 60 megabytes per second write. So let's see how this goes. So far we already achieved more than what the manufacturer has said it could do, saying 95.99, almost 96 megabytes per second. Company says it can only do 90. Well, that's cool. It actually went above what it says it could do. That's nice. Underrating your product. This is a 128 gig micro SD card. Well, that's actually pretty impressive. Look at that. Holy mackerel. Holy crap. Let's see what we could do and write. That's impressive. I don't know if you guys are aware. Wow. Holy crap. Oh my god. 90 megabytes a second write. Holy shit. I've never seen it that high before on any micro SD card. This is incredible. This is the V30, folks. This is the V30. I think this is mislabeled. Oh my god. I'll show you a picture of the case I got. This is called the video speed class. This is specifically for action cameras. Specifically for it. That's the whole point of this, is to use it in an action camera so you can do 4K writing. You know, to make 4K. I got this for the GoPro Hero 6. That's impressive. This is impressive. Holy crap-a-totally, people. Oh my god. This is awesome.
Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,